Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Funding Pips certificate. So first of all, come here on fundingpips.com, then simply sign in into your account. Now over here, when you are inside your account, you just have to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of certificates. Now, if there is any certificate available, whether it is the certificate of the payout or you're passing the accounts, you just have to simply select that and click on the option of download in order to download that. Now, if you want to specifically download the certificate of your payouts, you can find that information here inside the rewards section. So inside the rewards section, you are going to see the certification of your rewards and your total rewards that you have earned. So over here, you will be shown the download option. So you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on the option of download in order to download that. For downloading the specific payout certificate, you will find the certificate section here. So you can just simply click on the download option right next to the payout that you have received, and this way you are going to basically download the certificate of that particular payout. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.